this is Dave with Aqualife Ponds. What I wanted to talk to you about today is pond services. So we do everything under the sun. We repair, we install, we maintain, and we have all those services. So we have a master certification in the installation of water features, and we've got a maintenance department. So we have maintenance services, repair services, installation services. And let's say you go outside and your pond's just not looking as beautiful as it used to look. We can come in, we can do a drain and clean, restack the rocks. Since we do so many pond installations, we know how to rebuild it, or even if it just needs a little TLC, we can do all that. So if this is something that you would like to have done, please give us a call, send us some pictures so we can assess it and give you a ballpark estimate over the phone, and enjoy life. Thank you.